The objective of this video is to identify the DevOps team patterns that can help improve continuously and debug all key components to maintain healthy DevOps culture in the enterprise. As a participant in DevOps, we need to ensure that DevOps team objective is clearly defined. Let's try to understand critical objectives that DevOps team need to meet. To start with, they need to ensure that they improve delivery and derive value. And this is the primary goal of any DevOps effort within an organization, to ensure delivery of value for customers and businesses, ensuring that it also reduces cost. Second objective is to increase automation. In short, everything must be driven by automation. They can adopt automation by using tools, or they can also adopt scripting-based automation. Third essential objective is to align correct team structure, because team structure plays essential role in enabling right collaboration. Now let's try to go and understand factors for identifying the correct team structure. We need to focus on product set, which need to be developed for the organization. Second, we need to identify strength and effectiveness of technical leadership, and we need to ensure that dev and ops have a shared goal. Third, we need to enable capability to change IT operations by making it more agile. Finally, we need to enable capability to take lead on operational concerns, whether the organization has the capacity or skills to take the lead on operational concerns or not. We need to identify the gap, and we need to ensure that they are part of team structure. There are various patterns which can be utilized in order to define DevOps team. Let's go through certain DevOps team patterns. First type is Dev and Ops collaboration. In this type, we need smooth collaboration between Dev team and Ops teams, where each specializing where needed, but also they need to share whatever information need to be shared among the team. Type 2 is fully shared ops responsibilities, where operations people have been integrated in product development team. We will frequently see type 2 topology. There is so little separation between dev and ops that all people are highly focused on shared purpose. Type 3 is ops as infrastructure as service, where we need to ensure that we adopt infrastructure as a service to manage end-to-end operations. Fourth is DevOps as an external service. You'll find some organizations, particularly smaller ones, might not have finances and experience or staff to take the lead on operational aspects of software which they build. The dev team might then reach out to a service provider. For example, Rackspace helps them to build test environments and also takes responsibility of enabling automation in their infrastructure. Type 5 is DevOps team with an expiry date, where you will be taking up a team with a fixed duration of time. This can be treated as a temporary team which comes up with a mission to bring devs and ops closer together. Type 6 is DevOps advocacy team. We'll find that within organization, when we implement DevOps advocacy team, their responsibility is to identify the gap between dev and ops and try to facilitate with a culture in order to eliminate it. And finally, we have SRE model, which was propounded by Google, where DevOps recommends that dev teams joins the on-call rotation, but it's not always essential. In fact, you'll find that some organizations runs a different model where they adopt an explicit handoff from development to the team that runs the software. It is called as Site Reliability Engineering Team. In this particular model, dev teams need to provide test evidences to the SRE team showing that the software is having good standard to be supported by SRE team. Now let's try to identify suitability of right pattern and their effectiveness. And that we will do through a table which is currently displayed on the screen. We'll start with identifying the pattern, their suitability and effectiveness. Type 1 is suitable for organizations with strong technical leadership, and you'll find effectiveness to be very high. Type 2 is all about organization with single web-based product or service, but yes, effectiveness is equally high. Type 3 is suitable for organizations with several products and services which runs in cloud. Effectiveness will be medium because you need cloud providers to also be part of your team. Type 4 is all about smaller team or organizations with limited operational issues that are experienced. Effectiveness is medium. Type 5 is suitable wherever we have to bring dev and ops closer together. Effectiveness can be low to high because it is heavily dependent on the experience that dev and ops teams have. Type 6 is suitable for organizations with tendency of dev and ops drifting apart. Effectiveness can be medium to high. And finally, type 7 is suitable for organizations with high degree of engineering and organizational maturity. Effectiveness can be again low to high.